Hello my dear friends, welcome to Learner's Planet. My dear friends, we studied about the introduction to hurricane and also about the names which are given by the World Meteorological Department. Now let us switch on to another topic of hurricane, which is very important. Yes, how hurricanes form. Now here you can see a very clear flow chart, or we can say as a diagram. Here we have shown the formation of hurricanes. Now the first step which actually leads to the formation of hurricanes is warm ocean water. Now here warm ocean water, when it is more than 80 degrees Fahrenheit or more, then what happens? It provides energy for the hurricane and it causes more evaporation, making humid air and clouds. Now when the evaporation process is taking place, the humid air forms and finally the winds come together and it forces the air upwards. Now after this, when the winds force the air upwards, the winds flow outward above the storm, allowing the air below to rise. Now slowly this air rises because of the wind which flows at a very great speed. So what happens finally, that this humid air which is rising, it makes the clouds of the storm. Now here you can see that these clouds are forming because of the humid air which is rising and because of the wind which is flowing at a very great speed, like you can assume as 74 miles per hour. So what happens when this humid air rises? Yes, it makes the clouds of the storm, and finally the light winds outside the hurricane steer it apart and let it grow. And this is what forms the hurricanes. So basically hurricanes only form over really warm ocean water of 80 degrees Fahrenheit or warmer. Because the atmosphere, the air must cool off very quickly the higher we go. That is, the wind must be blowing in the same direction and at the same speed to force the air upward from the ocean surface. And finally the winds flow outward above the storm, allowing the air below to rise. So hurricanes typically form between 5 to 15 degrees latitude north and south of the equator. And this is what forms the hurricane. So this was all about the formation of hurricanes. Thank you. Take care and have a nice time.